Hello there, welcome to this demonstration on the MCS Group Client Portal. First things first, you want to come to the portal itself by going to mcsgroup.myportallogin.co.uk or by right clicking this little box down here and pressing on the option that it gives you. So once we're at this page, we need to sign in with Microsoft. It's going to ask you for your email, so I'm going to use our demonstration one and then pop in your password too. And this is going to take us into our lovely company portal. From here, you can raise tickets, check the progress on current tickets, and also look up past tickets as well. So we've got a couple on here. So first things first, to submit a new ticket, you want to go to the top right option, and we've got a couple of options here. Starter and leaver forms are for any potential new users or anyone that could be leaving. So going into here, you just got a bit of information that we may need when building those new users. We can create custom ones of that for your company if needed. We can also submit a normal ticket by heading into new service ticket, and it's going to ask you to describe your issue. So we're going to pop in a little summary, issues when trying to sign in, and boom, we have raised a new ticket. That's going to appear on the open tickets board. You can also look at past tickets that have been closed by searching for their ticket number, which is just here. And admins can also look at closed tickets for the entire company from any user. So current ticket, let's open it up. Here you can add a bit more information. So Outlook showing an error when trying to sign in, and this will update the ticket for us. Once the ticket has been assigned, you will also see who it's assigned to, and you'll also see where the ticket is currently at. So whether it's in progress or it's waiting on client response, anything like that, you can see there. And that's it. Thank you very much.